Hello everyone, what is up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara if you're new here, and on this channel we cover all things productivity, digital products, Etsy, and so much more. In today's video, I wanted to show you how to create a really cool digital product with Canva just so that you can sell it on Etsy. And I decided to post about this product because I received a testimonial and review on Etsy. I'll put it right here. And the person said that they get a lot of compliments on this easy digital product. And I love this product. It's super quick to create. And it's basically a welcome sign that has a QR code check-in for realtors that are at an open house. So I have designed 3 different pages for this, and I'm going to show you how to make one of them. It's super quick and easy. You could probably do it in under 10 minutes. And I'm going to show you how to create a QR code on Canva, how to design this piece, and obviously how to go and sell it on Etsy. So if you're interested in creating a fun digital product that is quick to make and that you can sell for a good price, then keep on watching. So as always, we are back in Canva, and for this design, it is going to be a printable template. So you're gonna want to size it as a normal sheet of paper. So we are gonna go ahead and type in US letter at the top. That basically just sizes it as a normal design. And we are going to select one. Usually there's an option for a blank one. You can also make a custom size with 8.5 by 11, but for the sake of this, like, just pick one. I'm just going to delete all this stuff because we don't need it, but it's going to save us with our design, especially if you don't have to do all of this. So this is going to be completely blank to start. What I love to do in designs is go into elements, and we're going to select square. So that shape is going to come up. You're going to drag this down and make it a little bit thick. I like it like this. This is basically so that you can put the realtor's info at the bottom, but it doesn't need to be super thick. So I'm going to do black and white because, as always, like, I love that theme. And I think it's great for people that want to purchase. It's just like more basic. So we're going to go into more shapes. I want to see a circle. And basically we're going to take that circle, drag it down, because this is where we're going to put the profile picture. Okay, so now that we have this square, we might even shrink it down a little bit, but you just want it to kind of fit nicely in the bottom here. So now I am going to go back into elements, and now we're going to go to frame, and we're going to select the circle. We're just going to drag that down and size it where it's like sitting nicely in this circle, but it doesn't, take up too much space. Like, that's too much. So I'm just going to size that down just like that. And that's where they can put their profile picture. If you want to show them on the template, you can just go into photos and type in, I'm going to type in realtor, see what comes up, or business professional, but you can just select a photo and put it in there for the sake of them knowing, like, this is obviously for them. Next, I'm going to add the text. It really doesn't matter what order you do all of this in, but it's just what I do. So I'm going to put welcome to our open house. You can play around with the font here. On my design, I did iSum script. I just thought it looked really, like, elegant, but you can do Playfair display. You can really do whatever you want, but I'm gonna just, for the sake of this video, use the same one that I used, that the customer loved. So you could even do, like, now that I'm seeing it, I actually want the different parts to be bigger. So I'm gonna take our open house out and do welcome to, and then I'm going to duplicate this and put our open house, and I'm going to drag this to be bigger. I just think it would look nicer, and it's kind of like that. So when they print it, it's just kind of there, and you can obviously make this bigger as well. So that can literally be it for the design, or you can go ahead and go into elements and maybe add in a house. What you want to do though is you want to make sure these elements are free. So all you're going to do is go into this little filter here and you're going to toggle off free so that anyone can use these in a template, because not everyone has a Canva Pro account. So it's nice to be mindful of that. I might add in something like this just for something extra, but you really don't have to. Like the one I have doesn't even have any icons. So feel free. And then you can put contact information down here at the bottom. That's basically what this part is for. So all I do typically is I will make this white because it's going on a black background, so it pops. And I am going to just put your name here. And then I'm going to divide it, and then I'm going to put realtor at agency.com. And I'm going to make this smaller because it's too big anyways. You have to be like, this is going to print, so it's at font 17. It's going to look actually quite large as a PDF. So we're going to do that. Ooh. And then I'm going to add one more, and this is going to be a phone number. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And then you can resize that so that it matches. So that is it. Literally. You can change the colors if you want. And then what we're going to do is, what would go here is a QR code. So you, for the sake of when you're selling it, you're only going to put an image box so that they can insert their QR code. They are going to make the QR code themselves, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code. So if in the PDF where you attach the link, you can describe to them what to do, or the steps maybe on your Etsy listing. But that's what it would look like total. So let me just duplicate this so that we don't lose that design. And I'm going to show you how to get a QR code. So you're going to scroll down to apps, QR code I'm going to type in. So see right at the top here, you can do a bunch of them. Like when I first was using this, when I first designed it, they didn't even have all of these. You can use QR code, dynamic QR codes, QR code generator. Let's just see this one and see what we're working with here. You can literally play around with which one you get, different designs, but let's just use a basic one for the sake of this. So what they would do is they would go and link their website or maybe a sign-in sheet for their open house, and we'll put at the bottom like, please sign in afterwards. I'll show you. But for the sake of this, I'm just going to link my Instagram. Okay. And you can even add in a logo if you'd like. I'm not going to, I'm going to leave this blank, but we're just going to add to the design, and then it's going to show up right here. All you have to do is drag it to size. And what I love is you can even change the colors of these background colors. You can make it branded, but this is just what you would tell the customer. They can click on this one, they can add their link, they can change the color and background color, and there you have it. So that is the design. I might make this a tiny bit smaller, drag it up, and then I am going to add underneath that QR code, which we would also put on the original template. I'm going to put, please scan to sign in. And there you have it. It is that simple. I've made this design, I've sold it on Canva, and I got a nice review for it. And I just think that's lovely, considering you can literally make this in a few minutes. You just want to make sure everything's centered by using the Canva lines there, and you are done. So because this is going to be a template, you are just going to hit share afterwards, and you're going to hit see all, and you are going to create a template link there, not public view link, a template link. And once you create this template link, you're going to copy it, put it in a PDF, and upload it onto Etsy. And basically this just makes it so that if anyone uses the design, it doesn't ruin your original design. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and I love this design. It's super quick and easy to make, and it's something that sells quite often for me in my Etsy shop. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to make it too. If you like this video, definitely subscribe to my channel. I'm happy to have all of you here, and anytime I get a new subscriber, I get so excited. And I hope these videos help you, and as always, I'm giving out free information and you don't have to pay for it. But Basically, if there's any more tips on this design you'd like to see, definitely leave a comment below. Here is some keywords that you can use. I'm going to put them on the screen. Here's some keywords you can use. I'm going to put them on the screen and feel free to use them. They are high-ranking keywords that I've done some research on, so feel free. And you are going to want to use these in your Etsy shop listing title and in the description. As always, thank you guys for watching. Definitely like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you very, very soon.